Y'all ain't see y'all mama. Sorry, Miss Jackson. You ain't seen Junquita. I know it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Y'all ain't seen her. She said she was going to get some bologna. That was 8 hours ago. Somebody said they seen her over here in Stop 6 Projects hitchhiking with no shoes on. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Was y'all gonna pay her phone bill? Is y'all gonna pay her phone bill? Yeah. Yeah, that money gone. I know it was just the first. That money gone. Yeah, that money. Yeah, that money gone. Yeah. She bought us some flip flops. Yeah. She bought some flip flops. Yeah. Yeah. But y'all gonna pay her phone bill or what? Because I can't get in touch with her. I'm gonna file a police report tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just miss prank. Yeah. It's been a. Yeah. Yeah. Because I mean, it don't take that long to go get no belongings. Yeah. Okay. All right, Miss Jackson. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Goodbye.